Well, a colder start this morning. Many of us started the morning in the 20s. There's still a beautiful winter sunrise shot from Kenneth Johnston there in Afton, and signs of spring. A little bluebird out gathering nesting materials. Jim Carpenter captured that nice shot today. Let's take a look at our high for today. It was 45 at the airport. That ends our two-day above average streak, but we're not done as we go into the start of the weekend. Temperatures here on Saturday will warm back in the 50s, and much of next week should feature temperatures above average as well. Something to look forward to if you want those warmer readings. 40 is the current number at the airport. We've had some gusty winds at times today. We've got some high level cloudiness overhead. 35, the current number at the Valley Airport in Weir's Cave, touched 39 for the high today. Right now we've got numbers in the upper 30s to low 40s across central Virginia, some mid to lower 30s across the Shenandoah Valley. You can see some of the clouds working in from the west. A lot of those are some high and mid-level clouds. We're kind of average partly cloudy skies tonight with temperatures back in the 20s. Again, be mindful of any refreeze out there, certainly with icy spots or patches to develop. Temperatures tomorrow mid to upper 40s. Again, below average, but a nice winter day with a good amount of sunshine to enjoy. And now we look at the weekend. We've got a really nice day, a sweet day for Valentine's. Temperatures back in the 50s, and then a chilly rain in here on Sunday at the onset and ending. For some locations, especially at the higher elevations, there may be a little snow mixed in with that rain. But Valentine's look nice. We will start the morning in the 30s, and then after upper 20s and low 30s, and then afternoon highs for most of us well in the 50s. Now looking ahead to Sunday, temperatures Sunday morning will be in the mid 30s. Here comes the rain as we move into the late morning afternoon. Areas along and west of the mountains could certainly see at the higher elevations a little bit of mixing, but mainly it's primarily just a chilly rain, and that's the European model's depiction. The American GFS model similar, showing the same as well. However, at the higher elevations there will be some mixing occurring before it kind of shuts off, and that'll occur later Sunday night and of course toward the coast early on Monday morning. But in terms of rainfall, which is certainly needed, moisture in the ground, we could see anywhere from half an inch to maybe over an inch. That would be good. The area of low pressure will be tracking to our south, so it's on that northwest side that higher elevations, at least at this point, could see maybe a little bit of mixing. So here we go with what's happening. High pressure is going to build closer to the region tonight. A little disturbance coming through, bringing some cloudiness. This is part of the energy that's down across the Four Corners area that'll work across the Plain States tomorrow, blossoming in an area of rainfall that'll be working toward the eastern seaboard as we move into Sunday. But there's no real Arctic air across the lower 48. Across eastern Canada, yes, but that air mass is not going to get in here in time for most of that moisture to work up with it. Now looking ahead to next week, a ridge in the jet stream will build, and it'll really feel like spring fever around here for several days next week. Temperatures tonight in the 20s. Again, watch those icy spots and patches to develop. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. A sweet Valentine's Day followed by chilly rain in here on Sunday. And again, areas north and west could see a little mixing with that rain. And then look at those temperatures next week.
All right.